Hello guys, welcome to Quiz and Quotes. Today we'll be discussing the part 3 of the accounting short question and answers. And trust me, these questions are very much important, very much fundamentals for your competitive examinations and your career ahead. We're trying our level best to cover most of the things that are probably coming to examinations in such a way so that you can learn it very simply. The objective is this channel to put the things on your hands, your palm top, that wherever you go, wherever you're sitting, and wherever you are there, you can learn every time. Make the process easy. So, without wasting the time, let's go to the questions. Keep on practicing, as written practice is the key. The more you listen, it will be in your memory. So, I'll recommend don't stop looking this video number one time only. See multiple times, so many times, so that it will be engraved in your brains. Right, guys? Let's go. The first question is the balance of goods account is transferred to trading account. Is it true or false? I repeat, the balance of goods accounts is transferred to trading accounts. True or false? Yes, it is a true answer. Ledger book doesn't possess legal acceptability. Right or wrong? Ledger book does not possess legal acceptability. False. Ledger book possesses legal acceptability. Third question. In ledger, narration is not required. Who told? In ledger, narration is there to understand the transaction. So it is a false statement. Next question. The book used for recording cash and bank related transaction is. The book used for recording cash and bank related transaction is. The answer is double column cash book. Which book is maintained to record day to day expenses? The question. Which book is maintained to record day to day transaction? Answer is petty cash book. Petty cash book is maintained to record day to day transaction. Next question. Mention any transaction for which contra entry will be done. Please mention any transaction. Give the example of any transaction for which contra entry will be done. And the answer is cash deposited in bank. In case of cash deposited in bank, contra entry is required. Right, guys? Let's go ahead. Which side of the cash book record all cash payments? Which side of the cash book records all cash payment? Answer is credit side. Whatever we pay, we record in the credit side of the cash book. Agree or disagree? You must be agree because it's the right answer. Next question. The book in which accounts related to a person, goods, income, and expenditure is maintained and transactions are recorded is called. The book in which accounts relating to a person, good, income, and expenditure is maintained and transactions are recorded is called ledger book. Ledger book is the book in which accounts relating to a person, goods, income, and expenditure is maintained and transactions are recorded. It's called ledger book. Next question. On which date accounts are closed? Simple. On which date accounts are closed? Simple. The last day of the month or year or even a day for closing the daily accounts. It depends on what period you have selected for your accounts. Next. Sales account always shows which balance? Sales account always shows which balance? The answer is credit balance. Sales account always shows credit balance. The process of totaling the debit and credit side of a ledger account is called. The process of totaling the debit and credit side of a ledger is called closing of the account. When we close the account, we total the debit and credit side of a ledger and the balance will be carried forward to the trial balance. Next, the amount which cannot be recovered from the debtors is called dash. Any amount that cannot be recovered from the debtors is called dash. Suppose you sold but are not able to collect the money from the credit sale. The answer is bad debts. Bad debts are the debts that you sold but you are not able to collect in a particular time. Next question. The account in which amount can be deposited or withdrawn daily and which allows no interest on deposit is called dash. which account is there on which you can deposit the money or withdraw, but you will not get the interest. This is called current account. Current account is the type of bank account on which you can deposit the money, you can withdraw the money, but you will not get any interest. This is called current account. Next question. The discount allowed on cash transaction is called as simple. The discount allowed on the cash transaction is called, it's called cash discount. That means if you pay upfront on cash, or depending on the terms of the organization, if you pay before the time the companies, the organization normally give the cash discount. Next, sales account always shows dash balance. Sales account always shows dash balance. The answer is credit balance. Sales account always shows credit balance. Next question. The purchase of packing material along with goods purchase is recorded in dash. The purchase of packing material along with goods purchased is recorded in dash. It's called purchase book, because without packing you are not able to sell. Next question. Such transaction for which no separate subsidiary books are maintained are recorded in dash. Such transactions for which no separate subsidiary books are maintained are recorded in dash, and the answer is journal book. Such transaction for which no separate subsidiary books are maintained are recorded in journal book. Subdivision of journal is called dash. The answer, subdivision of journal is called dash. It's called subsidiary book. Subdivision of journal is called subsidiary book. Next question. Credit note is sent to dash. Credit note is sent to purchaser or seller. It's purchaser. Normally credit note is sent to the purchaser. Suppose you have sold some good to some customer and want to give us some discount, you can do via credit note. Weekly information is sought from subsidiary books. Weekly information, whether it can be sought from the subsidiary book? No, it cannot be done. So we again finish the series of this question. Here talk about the opportunity and the gift inside. To get the gift, you need to go to the description box. There's a link over there. Click the link, it will take to the particular website, and where your gift is hidden, not hidden, it is printed there. Explore the opportunity, possibly it's going to change your life. So please spend some few minutes and see the link. Any question you can always ask on my email ID or the WhatsApp number given over there. Thank you so much. Share these MCQs to all deserving students who are preparing for respective examination. Help your friends and family to grow together. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless you.